Ever wondered why an apple a day keeps the doctor away? It's a saying we've all heard, but what makes apples so special? This humble fruit, enjoyed worldwide, has an intriguing backstory. Apples are not just tasty snacks, they are packed with a host of nutrients that have made them a staple in many cultures. But what exactly are these health benefits that have earned apples such a revered place in our diets? Stay tuned as we unravel the health benefits of this humble fruit. The benefits of apples are more than just folklore. They are backed by science. Let's delve into the health advantages of this delightful fruit. First off, apples are a powerhouse of dietary fiber. This humble component aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system and keeps you feeling full longer, which can be a great advantage for those on a weight loss journey. Speaking of weight loss, apples are a natural ally. They are low in calories, high in water content, and packed with fiber, making them the perfect snack to keep those hunger pangs at bay without adding too many calories. Now, let's talk about heart health. Apples contain antioxidants and flavonoids that help in reducing the risk of heart diseases by lowering blood pressure, reducing LDL cholesterol, and improving overall heart health. But the benefits don't stop there. Apples are also good for your bones. They're rich in boron, a nutrient that helps strengthen bones and maintain bone density. So adding apples to your diet can be a step towards preventing osteoporosis. Lastly, but certainly not least, apples aid in digestion. The fiber in apples helps in maintaining a healthy digestive system, preventing constipation and other digestive issues. Indeed, apples pack a health punch that is hard to ignore. So the next time you reach for a snack, make it an apple. Not only is it delicious, but it's also a small step towards a healthier lifestyle. At The Altruist, we believe in the power of knowledge for a healthier life. Our aim is not just to bring you the wonderful benefits of apples, but to also shed light on a myriad of health topics that can inspire you to lead a healthier lifestyle. From the power of plant-based diets to the impact of exercise on mental health, we delve into a variety of areas that offer practical and easy-to-understand information. We explore the mysteries of gut health, the secrets of sound sleep, and the science behind stress management. We also delve into the world of vitamins, minerals, and superfoods, helping you understand their roles in maintaining optimum health. Our channel is a treasure trove of health wisdom, a place where you can unravel the secrets to living a healthful and vibrant life. Subscribe to the Altruist YouTube channel for more insightful videos. Remember, knowledge is the first step towards better health.